Are you looking for the best camping stoves in 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best camping stoves in 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Coleman Classic Camping Stove. It's tough to beat the utilitarian Coleman Classic Camping Stove for dependability and affordability. That's why it's been such a favorite among campers for generations. The Classic was built to suit the average camper's needs, so instead of being super powerful, it balances moderate heat output with smart fuel efficiency. In our experience, the burners are plenty adequate unless you're cooking for a large group or contending with harsh conditions. We've been using our Coleman Classic stove for many years, and it's still going strong. Cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner on a dependable stove that packs up easily with the Coleman Classic propane gas camping stove. The two burners put out 20,000 total BTUs of grilling power and are shielded from the wind by adjustable wind-blocking panels. Rest assured, your stove will perform consistently even in extreme conditions thanks to the pressure regulator. At number 2. Gas One GS1000. If you need an affordable, compact stove for simple camp cooking and boiling water, look no further than the Gas One GS1000. We've been really impressed with the quality of this stove, especially at such a low price point. The GS1000 features all-metal construction and quality craftsmanship. Plus, it's easy to carry and it fits in a slim case that hardly takes up any room where you store your gear. We also love that we have the option of using both butane and propane with it. If you're looking for a basic stove for outdoor cooking or emergency preparedness, the GS1000 is an incredibly budget-friendly and effective solution. At number 3. GSI Outdoors Selkirk 540. They say you can go big or go home, and we bet you can guess where our vote lies. After starting small with our incredibly compact, amazingly efficient backpacking stoves, we thought that it was high time we made something to satisfy those families and groups of friends whose time we love sharing in the outdoors. Built around twin 10,000 BTU/H burners with precise, individual controls for everything from simmering to speedy boiling and room for any two of the Bugaboo camper pans, 2L pot, 3L pot, 9-inch fry pan, side by side, we've made a stove that was designed to really cook. The Selkirk camp stove was made to last too, with a powder-coated steel exterior and wraparound windscreens to keep the elements at bay, while the stainless steel and nickel chrome cooking surfaces may clean up easy after even the biggest meals. At number 4. Camp Chef Explorer 2-Burner. Whether you're enjoying Mother Nature's finest views or getting ready for the big game at the tailgate party, you should never be deprived of tasteful food. Camp Chef's rugged 2-burner Explorer stove gives you the ability to prepare anything from bacon and eggs to grilled salmon or even Dutch oven dinners all on one stove. This is the go-anywhere, do-anything type of propane stove. Being one of Camp Chef's 14-inch cooking systems, the Explorer is very versatile and can be equipped with many different Camp Chef accessories, from the professional grill box to the Italia artisan pizza oven. This is also a perfect stove for emergency preparedness because of its portability and can provide for 15 hours of cooking time on one 20-pound propane tank, not included. The Camp Chef Explorer 2-burner stove is there for you whether you're cooking outdoors or need to fix a meal in an emergency. Power outages and disasters can strike, but with the Explorer 2-burner stove you will be secure in knowing you can cook things up if you need to. This stove is a true outdoor appliance with strong performance capabilities. It has a 3-sided windscreen to shield some of the breezes coming your way, and just one 20-pound tank will keep your stove going for 15 hours. Cook up a meal for you and some friends or family and enjoy the outdoors with a Camp Chef Explorer 2-burner stove. At number 5. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp System. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system showcases some of the coolest new technology available for outdoor cooking. The stove folds up into a rugged metal pod that nests inside a pot for compact storage. The pot and stove, along with a frying pan, lid, windscreen, and regulator, fit into a travel bag no bigger than a bowling ball. Needless to say, the Genesis Basecamp system is one of the most portable and space-saving stoves on the market. The heat retention coils on the base of the pot made this system incredibly fast and efficient for cooking and boiling water. We also love that you can customize the number of burners using the JetLink port. The Genesis Basecamp system is a versatile, top-quality cooking system with an emphasis on streamlined portability and maximum fuel efficiency. Accessories: the Genesis Basecamp system is expandable with the Luna satellite burner and the half-gen Basecamp cooking system. At number 6. Eureka Ignite Plus. If other two-burner stoves feel too crowded for your large pots and pans, you'll appreciate the extra-wide cooking area of the Eureka Ignite Plus camping stove. Conveniences like push-button start and excellent simmer control make it an excellent choice for discerning camp chefs who want the ability to fine-tune the heat. We also love that the Ignite Plus is made with thick-gauge steel and durable latches, so it's less likely to dent or get damaged in transport. If you're looking for excellent quality and want to make sure you'll have plenty of elbow room, the Ignite Plus is a solid choice. It's also available in a smaller size, Eureka Ignite, if you prefer to keep your gear more compact. Gather the crew for bigger, better campsite cookouts with the Eureka Ignite Plus Camp Stove. Larger than the standard Ignite, the Ignite Plus has added capacity for campers looking to cook more, using larger cookware. The Ignite Plus offers an innovative 2-turn simmer control for high-precision flame adjustment, and 2 propane burners deliver 10,000 BTUs of cooking power that go from light simmer to fast boil. A push-button igniter allows for fast, easy starts, while the stove's compact size fits 2 12-inch pans to create your campsite meals. Additional features: fold-out windscreens protect the cooking flame for consistent output and maintaining even heating. The Ignite Plus packs up without effort, and dependable latches keep the lid secure during transport. About Eureka: just as many memories are made after a rain hike as on a clear afternoon. That's why for more than 120 years Eureka has been building tents and camping gear that keeps you covered, so you can focus on the things that matter most and just go for the fun of it. At number 7. Coleman Triton. The Coleman Triton is the newer model of Coleman's classic camping stove, with an updated style and a small increase in BTUs. The extra 1,000 BTUs per burner don't make a huge difference for cooking, but the Triton does heat up a touch faster. You really can't go wrong with either of these tried-and-true stoves. Both are simple, dependable, and affordable workhorses. For us, the choice between the two boils down to price and aesthetics. While the MSRP of the Triton and the Classic are roughly the same, the Classic is frequently on sale for less. The Coleman Triton Plus is also available if you're willing to pay a bit more for auto ignition. Take camp cooking to the next level with the Coleman Triton propane stove. Just light it up and dial in your heat with the 2 independently adjustable burners, and you can be cooking over 22,000 BTUs of power in no time. The cooking surface offers plenty of room to fit a 12 inches and 10 inches pans simultaneously. Meanwhile, the perfect flow pressure control technology keeps the heat steady, even in extreme conditions. Wind block panels help shield your flame from wind, and they adjust if you need to fit a larger pan. When the meal is over, the chrome-plated grate removes for simple and quick cleanup, and the heavy-duty latch will keep the lid secure until you whip up your next family dinner. At number 8. Solo Stove Campfire. Sometimes camping just doesn't feel complete without a fire, which is why we love the Solo Stove Campfire. It's a gasifier stove that creates a hot, efficient, and nearly smoke-free fire. The Campfire is easy to start and keep burning with only twigs and small pieces of wood that you can find for free in most campsites. It works great for cooking simple one-pot meals for small groups. And if you're like us, you'll enjoy keeping the Campfire burning long after you've finished your meal for entertainment. We love gathering around it to warm our hands and watch the mesmerizing flames. The Campfire requires a bit more effort than most camping stoves, but we love the fun and interactive qualities of it for leisurely trips. We recommend using a cast iron skillet and/or the pot 4000 with the Campfire. The Campfire nests inside the pot for compact storage. A tripod to hold the pot over fire is also available.